After nearly a year since the first COVID-19 became available, there's still misinformation being spread. But the U.S. Surgeon General just released a guide to help combat it. From real questions and concerns about the COVID-19 vaccine to full-blown conspiracy theories, those who have set out to get the correct information out there have likely heard it all. And with Pfizer asking the FDA to authorize booster shots for all adults and children ages 5 to 11 now eligible, it's something that's still important.
Science is a science. I think there's an old TV show, right? CSI, right? They used to say, follow the evidence. And this is what the evidence is telling us. That's what the science is telling us.
Dr. Ulysses Wu is an infectious disease specialist with Hartford Healthcare. He says there's no one-size-fits-all way to address misinformation.
There are multiple psychological and ideological factors that factor into this. And so everybody's different. It could be fear of long-term, fear of short-term. It could be a lot of different things. And so all these things we certainly like to address individually.
The U.S. Surgeon General released some tips to try to help, creating a toolkit for healthcare professionals, teachers, faith leaders, and more to address misinformation. Community Health Centers, Inc. has been doing their part, with outreach efforts bringing both the vaccine and information about it right to people's communities, partnering with trusted leaders, and even training young people how to respond to questions about COVID and the vaccine.
A lot of the misinformation is coming from influencers. And so to counter that, it needs to be an influencer. It needs to be someone that you know, that you have confidence in, that you trust their credibility.
Pastor Derek Holloway of First Calvary Church of Hartford is a familiar face in his community who's gone door to door in his efforts to get people vaccinated.
Our job is just to put the facts out there, not to try to coerce people, but to just educate people and to let them know.
The guide also encourages everyone to talk to their own family and friends by listening, empathizing, pointing to credible sources, not to publicly shame, and use inclusive language. Now, if you'd like to take a look at that guide, we do have it up for you on our website, fox61.com. Jen, Ben, back to you.
All right, Gab.